More than 600 students from across Connecticut gathered on Friday to find out who won the 5th annual Connecticut Student Film Festival. That event celebrates the work of middle and high school students from 30 different schools. And of course, this morning we're happy to have the winners, Anna Modcari and Nina Filippone. Anna's on the left, Nina's on the right, along with the event organizer Matthew Woodward. Nice for you to join us. Congratulations to the two of you. Before we even get started, why don't we show the trophy here? 90-second film challenge for the 2013. Let's get my head out of the way there. There we go. While I am showing this trophy, tell us, you're both freshmen now at the Engineering and Science University Magnet School in New Haven, correct?
Yes.
All right. Well, start by telling us about the film. What's the film about?
We did a stop-motion film about energy, different kinds and different types of energy. We wanted to make it interesting for all ages, not just high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, where'd you come up with the idea that you wanted it to be about energy?
Well, it was a criteria that we had to do, so we had different options. We could do the math topic or diversity, and we chose energy because we like science.
Okay, fantastic. And now this is what I really want to know about. Stop motion, as you can see right now. This is how they do claymation. This is how they do certain kinds of animation. That's not easy to do. That is really labor intensive, I imagine.
Yeah.
Why did you decide stop motion first and foremost?
We wanted to challenge ourselves. I think that's really important to improve